Are you keep getting face not recognized, try again error on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guided studio. And if your iPhone is not recognizing your face, it's frequently showing you this error, then don't be panic. Here in this video I'll show you some of the easy ways of how you can fix the problem. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix face not recognized issue, first thing first, check out this quick settings. Open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now once you're here inside this one, scroll down and tap on face ID and attention. Now once you're here inside this one, make sure all these options are enabled, including record attention for face ID, attention error feature, and also enable the haptics on successful authentication. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn all this option off and enable it again. And then get back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction, and make sure you have disabled the content privacy restriction. Once you have make sure these settings, just get back to your home screen and then restart your iPhone. Once you can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, and restart, and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. If this process doesn't help you out, then this is the time to reset your Face ID. Open up the settings once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Simply go ahead and enter your iPhone passcode and then scroll down, tap on Reset Face ID right over here, and then simply go ahead and tap on Set up Face ID and go ahead and set up your Face ID again. Because sometimes resetting and setting up your Face ID once again on your device can fix this problem. But let's say you did everything but you're still having the same problem over and over again, then here is the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings application once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS. But if you don't find any update, just get back to the general once again and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings, and then put your passcode right over here and then simply go and tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and you'll get back to the default. And once you have resetted all of your settings, you need to set up your Face ID once again, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.